Hi, MotherGeek here. Today I'm unboxing this Yvolution Velo Balance Bike in green, suitable for children aged 3 and over, and it has an RRP of $49.99. I'm just going to fast forward through this bit. I'll go into a bit more detail about each part in a moment. Here's the frame, the rear wheel, the front fork and wheel, the handlebars, note the adjustable heights there, the seat, again the 4 holes for different heights, the nuts and bolts, and let's get building. Here's the rear wheel spacer. I'm attaching the rear wheel, number 2, with the rear wheel axle, number 9, using the rear wheel spacer, number 13, and the number 10 bolt. I'm also using both the Allen keys. I'm now attaching the frame, number 1, to the front fork, number 3, using the stem clamp, number 8. Now I'm putting the handlebar, number 5, into the stem clamp, number 8, and I'm locking that into the stem clamp using the dome-headed bolt and the Allen-headed receiver nut, numbers 11 and 12. Now I'm putting the seat, number 4, into the frame, number 1, and I'm locking it with the seat adjustment knob and the seat nuts, numbers 6 and 7. And that's it built. It's made from aluminium, so it's actually not that heavy, and the solid rubber wheels mean that you're not going to get punctures either. Can't wait for the kids to give it a whirl now. Thanks for watching.